In the last 5 years, I'd say, cow cooling, ventilation has become a real big focus of the dairy industry, which is actually a real benefit to herds, North America and internationally.
Air quality is a very big deal. Generally, you want enough air changes through a barn that the air is always fresh. We like enough velocity in the barn that we can also move, especially flies, out of the barn.
Ventilation keeps the cow's body temperature cool, enables their body and their blood flow to act naturally, for them to ruminate properly, all those kind of things that aid in cow comfort on the inside of their body, not just physically expecting them to lay down in a stall.
Over the years, we've also learned from research, working in the industry, that heat stress is a #1 cow killer in so many countries. And we've worked very hard along with the industry to learn and help mitigate heat stress, to help the health of each one of these animals.
The more a cow is kept under her heat stress level, her body temperature below 102 degrees Fahrenheit, the more she's going to be able to have blood flow to her udder, create more milk. So really that's our primary goal. So when we look at any barn, we right away look at how much air is in the barn physically, the volume of the barn, and then we look at how we can transfer that amount of air out of the barn and naturally or systematically, mechanically bring in fresh air of that same amount. In a barn like this, a naturally ventilated barn, there's chimneys throughout the barn that let hot air escape, and there's naturally air flowing through the curtain side walls and end walls. And then our ventilation, breeze fans and storm fans, are circulating air and creating airspeed directly over the cows' backs.
But we also have to show that there's a return on the investment. We're not going to put fans in a barn, for example, like you see here, for the sake of putting in fans. They have to perform. They have to reduce the core temperature of cows and give a benefit for animal health and ultimately milk quality, milk production.
The different kinds of ventilation solutions Artex offers relate to the different barn styles. There's barns that are tunnel ventilated, natural ventilated, cross ventilated. Automation and controls of all these different devices is important for a barn.